Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu coffee. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of strong, cooled coffee, 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese, and a package of ladyfingers. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a dusting of cocoa powder for the finish. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Carefully separate 2 egg yolks and whisk them with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale. Next, gently fold in 8 ounces of creamy mascarpone cheese until everything is beautifully combined and smooth. In a separate, clean bowl, whip the 2 egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This adds a wonderful lightness to our cream. It's time to assemble our delicious tiramisu coffee. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they don't become too soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, carefully spread half of your rich mascarpone cream evenly over this ladyfinger layer. Repeat these steps to create a second layer, building up the delightful flavors. Almost there. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu coffee and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the dessert to set perfectly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with cocoa powder for that classic, elegant finish. It's truly a delightful treat. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.